We have our ingredients to make our caterpillar kebab. Okay, so you need a kebab stick, or this is actually a chopstick, and some grapes. So we're gonna thread the grapes onto the chopstick. So you just put the smaller end of the stick in and push it all the way to the end. Okay. Put it in where the little hole is already there for you. If you have different colored grapes, you could make a pattern. Okay, so for our last grape, I'm just going to squeeze out all of them along a little bit. We're going to put our last grape in the wrong way, like this, so it's up a little bit. And then we're going to add some eyes. So I'm going to use a little raisin, and actually I'm going to cut it in half to make some, little eyes for our caterpillar. So you can dip your raisin into some peanut butter or cream cheese, up to you, and stick it on here and the other one. So that your caterpillar has some little eyes. And there you go. There is your caterpillar kebab. Looks delicious.